Husband's having coffee 1 o'clock now, guys, because it's 6, I think, in the UK. It is fine. What is Ate cooking? Oh, wow, pork. Come on na, mahal, come. My brother will show you the mining. May papaya.
Ano ka mo yan sa magkakapatid yun?
May nagphone na nagtunog. Kanino yun? Ah, kay Kuya pala. Oh, there. Mahal, look. There. Oh.
Bring it here and sit it. Ano? Ay, yung ginigiling ng nabatunan.
They're grinding. Here, come. Here, they're grinding. They're all this.
Lahat yan may laman.
There's a gold in there. All of those. There's a gold. And they have to grind all of those. All those. There. And then,
Tapos, ang sunod na
the next process, putting here, putting in there.
Wow. 2 hours.
2 hours?
More than 2 hours. Na
Grinding.
nag-mill siya.
Oh. And then, 2 hours.
Jerry, pakibukas mo nga yung ano. Titignan natin itsura nung ano. Nung pang ano niya, no? Yung pandurog. Ito yung ran. Oh, ano ba lang? Ano ito?
Ma'am, employee.
Pakita lang natin ang isa. Para magka-idea lang sila.
There, the employee of my mom will sample, ha?
Yeah, that was made?
They have, I think they buy, I think, or maybe they have it made. It's expensive as well, yeah, because you have to have all the things. Other kuya, oh. Yan, Senior Jerry. Yeah, look, oh.
Klase ng pang Napakita lang natin sa kanya yung kay Ed yung itsura nung pandurog. Tapos ikutin natin yung isa para makita lang.
Ah,
Ano? Pahugas ka?
there, my brother.
Ay, kuntat yan. Kaya mo? Isa. Eh, isa lang. Maliit lang. Ayan, ganyan itsura. Yan. 4 pieces.
Ah.
Different size.
Oh,
Oo. May ganito kalaki. May ganun ka, ano. Tapos, pag nadurog siya, ang kalalabasan niya, ganito, ang itsura.
when it's grinded, it will be, there's loads of process, yeah? It's finely now, it's fine.
Yun. Ang mahuhuli na siya
Finely
ng
grinded.
mercury.
Mm,
Ang makakahuli dun
sa gold.
sa gold. Mercury ang nanguhuli.
Mm.
Dun kumakapit yung ginto.
The gold go stick to the mercury. That's why they always need mercury. And then you can see the gold. Wow pala. Oh, ayan. It's very loud yan. Because when we were younger, my mom has, ayan, look mahal, oh.
After nun,
Oh.
igilingin mo siya uli.
Grinding again. It's grinding na. It's grinding, mahal. This is how the gold is being processed.
Ito yung una.
Ay, you look, oh!
Ito yung...
It's very...
Ito mas pino na ito.
Wow.
Ito yung pagkatapos nung bato.
Yeah. It's stone. Yeah. Rocks and stones.
Tapos,
then it become grinded.
tapos grind uli. Oh, ito
And
ulit.
grind again. And that's the last step.
No, isa pa, pwede pa.
Another
Hanggat
grinding.
may ginto ka mo.
Until there's a gold. Did you see all the shiny, shimmery? Wow! lots of gold. I hope loads and loads and loads and loads and gold you will find, my family. I hope. Grinding, grinding, grinding.
Doing really well.
You buy this. He's asking all this material.
Ay,
Buy.
we buy.
And 3 people work here. And this is the first step, guys. My brother will show. First step. Loads, oh, to that they have to grind. Yeah, look, it's like a stones. Yeah. Loads to grind. Ano? Dami.
How many can you do in a day?
2 hours each time. Ipapatay mo na kay Norjery, kuya.
25 sacks.
Oh, really? That's
25 to 28 sacks.
My brother's garage. That's my brother's. Okay na, kuya. Salamat po, Kuya Norjery. That's my brother's employee. He has 3 worker here. Salamat, kuya. Thank you. There. Did you see how shining, shimmery the after it grind?
Yung mga pinong-pino,
Oh,
may laman pa rin yung hito.
you wash it.
Pinasalang na namin sa planta.
So they have like do you call this one plantation or like a company? They bring it there. There.
So the pool has mercury.
Huh?
The pool has mercury.
This one. This one? Which
Where
one?
do they put the mercury?
Kuya, saan ninyo nilalagay yung mercury? Sinasama nyo dyan sa ano? Dun sa grinded?
Oo.
The grinded, they mix it in, the mercury, they mix it. And so the gold, you can see the gold by doing that.
Gagawa ng magpapabirik siya. Ano yun, ilalagay yun doon sa pabirik. Tapos doon na pinaprocess.
And it will come out. You can see it. Shining, shimmering. Wow. Ano yung iskora na yan, oh?
Ay, yung ano yan, yung salang.
May iskoran kayo. Thank you. Salamat.
Ito, kalamansi.
What is the calamansi?
Ginagamit sa
Lemon.
pagproseso.
You need the calamansi for processing it, lab. That's why the other day, Mama I heard she needs a calamansi. These are the drums you use? How long you been doing it now?
Pagbibili sa scrap yan.
In the scrap yard, mahal.
Per kilo.
They will sell it per kilo.